spider's touch, such a cold finger beckons you to enter his web of sins, but don't go in. Golden words he will pour in your ear, but his lies can't disguise what you fear. For a golden girl knows when he's kissed her, it's the kiss from Mr. Goldfinger. Pretty girl, beware of his heart of gold. This heart is cold.